total hardness. Objective of the experiment: to determine the total hardness of a given water sample using EDTA titrimetric method. This is the experimental setup. Before starting the experiment, wash all the glasswares thoroughly with tap water, then rinse with distilled water. Rinse the burette with standard 0.01 molar EDTA solution. Then fill it up to more than 0 mark. Allow the solution to drain till air gap in the burette tip is filled. Adjust the burette reading to 0. Standardization of EDTA is done using primary standard 0.01 molar calcium carbonate solution. Rinse the 10 ml volumetric pipette with calcium carbonate solution. Fill up to the mark. Drain into a 250 ml conical flask. Touch the tip to the conical flask to drain leftover calcium carbonate solution. Add 1 ml of ammonia buffer solution to raise the pH to 10. Add 3 to 4 drops erythrome black tea indicator. Note down initial reading. Titrate using EDTA till the color changes to blue. Note down the final reading. Repeat the titration till concurrent values are same. Sample analysis. Rinse the 100 ml of volumetric pipette with sample. Pipette out 100 ml into a 500 ml conical flask. Add 1 ml ammonia buffer solution. Add 3 to 4 drops of erythrome black tea indicator. Note down the initial reading. Titrate till color changes to blue. Note down the endpoint. Repeat the titration till concurrent values are same. Calculate the total hardness as milligram of calcium carbonate per liter using the formula.